अगली शायरा को मैं दावत दूंगा मोहतरमा समरीना हुसैन। इनकी अंग्रेजी शायरी की किताब हाल ही में पब्लिश हुई है। इस किताब में मौजूद तमाम नज़में नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की मदहत में लिखी गई हैं। और सोने पे सुहागा ये कि ये नाहिद दिल की भाभी हैं, तो इनका खैर मकदम कीजिए। आइए समरीना हुसैन साहिबा।
Not very good with Urdu. Okay, inshallah, the poem Urdu में नहीं है, English में है, लेकिन I don't know कि I guess आप लोग सबको सलाम. I don't know what the adab is, but so I just published a book, and so this poem is called A Broken Heart's Plea. You can't pray for death, it's not allowed, they say. You can't pray for death, it's not allowed, they say. But my heart is yearning to meet you, my Rabb. I keep saying Ibn Taymiyyah's words over and over again. Oh, you who are patient, bear it a little longer, for only a little bit remains. It brings me some solace to my shattered heart that this difficult life will end very soon. It brings me solace to my shattered heart that this difficult life will end very soon. What makes me nervous and a bit terrified, however, is the thought that maybe my attempted deeds were not enough to save me from the ultimate doom. How ashamed I will feel standing alone that day. How ashamed I will feel standing alone that day in front of you, Ya Rabbi, with my book in my hand. What if these pages that could have been written beautifully filled, but I got distracted with this temporary world, and the potential good deeds slipped through my fingers like sand. I know, though with every bone, muscle, and cell, I know, though with every bone, muscle, and cell, that you alone have created, fashioned, and sustained me. Of that, I'm not an atom weight of doubt. Of that, I have not an atom's weight of doubt. I know for all my moments, only you were in control. So now, I dare to think that maybe you too will want to see me.
Was your verse nice, madam?
Of course. This one is called Ya Rasul, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I know you had to choose Allah, since Allah was anticipating your return. I know you had to choose Allah, since Allah was anticipating your return. I know you had to leave us behind, for your heart was yearning to meet the Lord. But we so hopelessly needed you with us, to show us your beautiful prophetic ways. But we so hopelessly needed you with us, to show us your beautiful prophetic ways. I wish with all my heart you had picked us, for the Ummah is barely surviving these days. This world is not how you left it, Ya Rasul. This world is not how you left it, Ya Rasul. There are changes beyond our comprehension, and the people are not from those who find any altruism and Islamic compulsion. Our thirsty eyes keep searching desperately to somehow see your beloved face. Our thirsty eyes keep searching desperately to somehow see your beloved face. We know that you only visit in the dreams now, and no one else can ever take your place. My beloved Rasul, how dearly I miss you, as though we were once the greatest of friends. My beloved Rasul, how dearly I miss you, as though we were once the greatest of friends. I know you would have mended my shattered heart with just one accepted dua to Allah you would send. My aching heart feels no peace anywhere, and I yearn to be in your sweet company. But my heart is overwhelmed with dread and fear, and is scared that you might not recognize me. So now I think before every single action, would my noble prophet approve of this? For he was the beloved of the ultimate beloved, and following his ways will bring us nothing but bliss. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad.